Welcome back to M.V.W. Modified. Today the alternator is changed. You can see here a little bit light. You can see here the new alternator of the 2-liter TFSI from an Audi Q5. There you can see the belt tensioner and a little bit down. I don't think you can see it great. I'm gonna put on the light there. If you see down here, over there, there's a new belt pulley because there was a little bit slack on it. So put it out. You can see here there was a belt pulley. You can see on the back side. You can see here it's a little bit slack. There's also on this roll, there's also slack, and if you take this loose, then it will bend a little bit towards inside, and yeah, that's also end of the world. You can see here the pin is in the new one, but in the old one I put on a nail, and that's also good. If the nail is thick enough, then it's safe. Also the belt, you can see here, it's not totally dried out or torn apart or cracking in the belt, but yeah, I don't know how many kilometers it went on the car, so I changed it for sure. And that is the alternator, the old one. And most of the times they make him new, so all the parts are destroyed or damaged, they change. But this time this one was so cheap, a new one from Bosch. Yeah, I take a new one. Cost me a lot of time, and it's almost the same money, so that's the reason why I put on a new one on my 2-liter TFSI Audi Q5. Thank you for following me. See my next movies, give a thumbs up, and put on the bell if you want to see more. And if you any comment, put it down below. And thank you for following me on this, also on Instagram and TikTok. See you there. Bye.